Today, let's talk about Meta's latest experiment, AI-generated users on Instagram and Facebook. Yep, the folks at Meta decided, you know what social media needs? More fake people. Because bots sliding into your DMs weren't enough, now they have entire fake lives. Picture this, you're scrolling your feed and you meet Liv, a proud, black queer mother of two. She's sharing parenting tips, posting selfies, and talking about her busy life. There's just one problem. Liv isn't real, she doesn't exist. Her kids don't exist. Her casserole recipe? Probably made by ChatGPT. It's like a Hallmark movie, but all the actors are CGI. Now, Meta says these AI profiles are here to enhance our social experience. Enhance? Really? If I wanted fake friends, I'd just follow my ex's burner account. At least those posts come with the thrill of being low-key stalked. And speaking of creepy, have you seen their AI-generated faces? They're almost human, but not quite. It's like looking at a wax figure that's been left in the sun for a little too long. You scroll past and think, something's off, but I can't quite put my finger on it. Spoiler, it's because they're as real as your New Year's resolution to work out. What's wild is these bots are posting like they have actual lives. They're sharing pictures of their fake kids, fake vacations, even fake existential crises. Meanwhile, I can't even keep up with my real notifications. And the AI? It's out here winning the world's most productive user award. But maybe Meta is onto something. Maybe fake users are the future. Imagine, bots liking bots, commenting on each other's posts. Great pic, Liv. Thanks, Carl. Loving your AI dog's new haircut. Meanwhile, the rest of us are out here wondering if we're still relevant in this robotic popularity contest. In a world filled with fake news, fake followers, and now fake users, authenticity is becoming rare. Maybe it's time to log off, meet some real people, and have real conversations, or just keep scrolling and hope the next post isn't from Liv sharing her AI-generated casserole recipe. Thanks for listening, folks. Remember, in the age of AI, keep it real, because clearly Meta won't.